Let's get to the very latest from the national capital and the new presidential order that has now given more powers when it comes to Delhi's LG. So this is going to be a new flashpoint between Delhi's LG and the government here in the national capital. So it is going to be the Delhi LG versus the Aam Aadmi Party. The LG getting more powers in appointments. President Draupadi Murmu on Tuesday delegated Delhi's LG to get more powers to form and appoint members to any authority, board, commission or statutory body under laws enacted by the parliament for the capital. The Ministry of Home Affairs has gone on to say that the new presidential order could constitute any authority, board and commission such as the Delhi Commission for Women and the Delhi Electricity Regulatory Commission. In a notification issued on Tuesday, the Union Home Ministry said that Delhi LG can also appoint members to such authority, board, commission or statutory bodies. So this is the latest as far as the powers. This new presidential order is likely to trigger a fresh showdown between the LG and the ruling Aam Aadmi Party government in the capital. The notification has come about in which more powers have now been given to the LG. We have my colleague Tanushka joining us. Tanushka, this clearly means, it is the centre that is giving the Delhi LG more powers against the government here in the national capital.
Exactly, Divya. The president has delegated the appointment of to form and appoint members to boards, commissions, authorities, and any statutory body under the laws that are enacted by the parliament in Delhi to the Delhi's Lieutenant Governor. So, with the president renewing these provisions that have already been there, that have already existed, the spotlight has been brought back to the tussle between the power in Delhi. That means between the Delhi's Lieutenant Governor and the Delhi's mayor. So this also means that Delhi's Lieutenant Governor will therefore from now onwards again have these powers to form and appoint members to of authority onto any such commissions, boards and authorities.
Right, Tanushka, thank you so much for getting us all those details. And moving on now, let's just get you more news. And there is news regarding this is the Delhi LG has asked the MCD Commissioner to notify the appointment of Deputy Commissioners as presiding officers to the MCD Ward Committee polls after the Mayor did not do so. The last minute intervention by the LG using special powers granted makes way over as far as this is for the polls today. However, Delhi Mayor has hit back, writing to the MCD Commissioner alleging that the councillors were unable to file the nominations on time. We have Tanushka back with us. Tanushka, now it is the LG versus the Mayor with the MCD Ward Committee polls that are coming up today, and it is the LG who has again stepped in.
Right, exactly, Divya. There has been a constant suspense over these MCD polls and elections that finally the Delhi Lieutenant Governor put some clarity to and announced that the elections will be held today itself. And this notification came in late last night, wherein, first of all, the MCD Commissioner reached out to the Lieutenant Governor seeking for direction as to the elections and as to the decision as well, because there was no decision on the same from the mayor's end until 8 in the evening yesterday. So, which is when the Lieutenant Governor also wrote out as a response to the MCD Commissioner stating that elections will happen today, will commence today. And this was, in a way, Delhi Lieutenant Governor, exercising his constitutional and statutory powers. And he's also nominated the deputy commissioners of each zone to be acting as the presiding officers in these elections.